up, YouTube? The Mavericks One coming at you with another fucking video. Today, I'm going to shotgun 2 Rolling Rocks. May not be as fast as it possibly could because I've already had a couple of drinks, but yeah, you know, figured I'd make a fucking video. Shoutouts. Toast for the Win Nude. The Metal 40. J Banks for life. Really Big D. Rugby 721, of course, GSHL TV, Storm Horizon, all the fucking crew. I know that these guys probably don't watch my fucking videos because they're a lot higher in the field than I am. Tiny Tim Rochetter, Black Metal Troy. Just listening to some fucking Harvester of Sorrow. And I'm gonna fucking chug 2 beers, so here we go. Enjoy.